In the absence of Mandanas ruling, hindi naman kami pautangin ng DBP at Land Bank noong panahon ng pandemya. But we continue to live with a 4.8 billion year-on-year or within that range, 5 billion national tax allotment. O ngayon, having said that, may pambayad. Yung inutang ng pandemya, may pinagkukuhanan. Hindi po sa lokal na pamahalaan, local source. Yung local source, solid, buo. Yung pagkakautang ibinanda sa Mandanas ruling. So, solved. So, dapat, ang mangyayari, kung nabubuhay kami nung araw, nung walang pandemya sa local source, dapat mabuhay din kami ngayon as we speak. Kasi wala naman talaga nagalaw na pera. So, having said that, what happened? Ano na po yun? Fiscal management na po yun. Nakokolekta ba yung local source namin? That's question number 1. Question number 2, kung nakokolekta, efficient ba? At kung nakokolekta, pumapasok ba sa kaban o sa treasury ng city government account? That's another story. Things that I need to find out later on.
Okay.
Talagang malulunod ka dahil hanggang dito na yung Maynila. So ulitin ko po sa ating mga kababayan, yung bayarin o what you call commercial obligation is a day-to-day thing, expenses, operational expenses, materials and services na base sa budgeting mo for your yearly operation. Yung isa naman, may utang sa bangko o sa government banking institution o financial institution na may binabandahang galing din pera sa national government. So, yun po yun mga kababayan.
Okay.